Hi, Virgin Islands. Are you tired of attending vision board events where you get extremely excited and passionate about your goals? You cut up all of the supportive pictures, put them on a board, only to get to the end of the year and realize that you achieved little to none of them? I want to help you change that. My name is Sarah Elizabeth Harrigan, and I am a confidence coach whose goal is to help my fellow Virgin Islanders gain a new perspective that will allow you to think big, visualize clear goals, become laser focused, and set actionable steps to help you achieve them. On February 1st, I will be hosting my first event of the year, a vision board and manifestation workshop. At our event, yes, I said our, because it takes a community to achieve everything we want in life, we will partake in deep thought exercises that will result in you having absolute clarity about what truly matters to you, and personality exercises that will help you identify and establish beneficial partnerships. You will also receive the tools and tips to stay motivated all year long, with guidelines that will support you in taking consistent action. Most importantly, you will have the opportunity to join a networking community that will hold you accountable for achieving the things you manifest and put on your vision board for 2020. So I'm inviting you, men and women, to join me on February 1st from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at Lady Sarah's Farms in Roadtown, Tortola for a results-focused event, phenomenal farm-to-table food, and relationships that will transform your life. Tickets are $150 per person and include a full brunch menu with drinks, the workshop curriculum, all the supplies necessary to create your vision boards, and some take-home items that will support you in accomplishing your goals. The only thing I am asking you to bring is an open mindset, an appetite for learning, and pictures of yourself to put on your vision board. If you have any questions, please email me at sarah@designmyvibe.com or send me a DM on Facebook at A Life Designed by Sarah. Tickets can be purchased on Eventbrite or here at Lady Sarah's Farms in Roadtown. I'll see you there.